kami ngayon sa Jarir. Today is April 3 and we're thinking of buying a present for Andre. So, ang naisip namin, kasi talagang paulit-ulit yung sinasabi sa akin. Paulit-ulit yung sinasabi sa akin is iPad. So, nandito kami to check for an iPad and I think Papa will get one for Andre. So, yun si Papa. Wait lang, Papa. So, they want, he's talking to someone na because he will get it. This is what we're gonna buy. This one. We're gonna get the 256. You're gonna get 256? Yeah. So, this one.
Just kids, yeah. We was running, hiding place again. Now we grow, but our love remains the same. Maybe you deserve the world and all the little things. Yeah, I know I ain't perfect, I'll show you one day.
Sa gitna anak eh. Sa yung short stone, so magpalit. Ha?
Happy birthday na!
Thank you.
So, it's April 4, 2024. 4/4/2024. So, it's very special. How old are you na?
I'm 15 now.
15. So, we're going to Taif. Actually, late na kami. Pero, baka magsistay na lang kami doon. Maghanap kami ng Airbnb. So, pero ang unang plan, dapat ano lang, di ba, Papa?
Overnight lang.
Overnight lang.
Nag-overtime ako sa office.
Oo. So, may work pa kasi. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. So, let's go!
Are you ready ka?
Ready?
Yes!
Yeah. Ito. Inhaler. Okay. Sige. So, see you later. At let's go na. Ilang oras ang biyahe natin? Ilang oras ang biyahe natin? 2 hours. Time check, 3:21.
Yours is taller.
So, we're going to Taif. And this is my like 100 times going to Taif. Huh?
Ilan na? Wala na. Countless times.
Countless times.
Seat belts. You're comfortable, guys, ha? Okay, 3 hours lang naman ito. 2 hours. Kaya mo 2 hours?
Oh, kaya naman. Seatbelt! Seatbelt! Happy birthday, Andre!
Happy birthday!
We were just kids, yeah. Young love. We was running, hiding, playing this game. But now we grow, but our love remains the same. Yeah. Maybe you deserve.
Not gonna lie.
Ay, kawawa naman. Ay, oo, kawawa naman yung driver.
Anong ano niya? Mga dilata?
So, we're here na sa Taif. Nagpapagas lang kami. Malapit na kami. Pero kanina, parang may patak ng ulan. Pero sana wag naman umulan. So, yun. 5:30 na. Pero ang sunset is 6:40. So, kaya pa. Dahil ilang minutes away na lang tayo.
7 minutes.
Okay, 7 minutes. So, kaya. Traffic lang kami dun sa road na may ginagawa. Pero sana medyo mahaba pa yung time namin. Pero ngayon hahabulin namin yung toboggan. So it's 5:30 and ang sunset is 6:40. So kaya pa. And we are 7 minutes away dun sa pupuntahan namin. Happy birthday!
Ito.
Tama kaya ito.
Ayun.
Ay nako, andito na kami sa bottom part. So nag-skip kami doon, hindi muna kami umakyat ng cable car. Nandito kami sa bottom part and hindi kami umakyat kasi nga naghahabol kami supposed to be ng toboggan. Kaso, sabi dito sa entrance, it's closed. So, nagtatanong si Papa ngayon kung kailan siya mag-open and sabi nila bukas pa. So, we don't know yet. We don't know what to do now. Ano daw?
Gusto mo mag-karting na lang?
Anong karting?
46 din, kart. Yung kart.
Meron dyan?
Meron daw. Kasi walang tubugan eh. Ano, go-kart na lang. 46 din ang bayad eh. Pares lang.
Sige, let's try. Yes!
I never tried.
Oh, we never tried that. So,
Is this scary?
go!
Ito ang way pag walang tubugan.
Walang toboggan?
Ay, walang, anong tawag? Yung dinadaan sasakyan ba dapat natin?
Cable car?
Cable car.
Okay.
Aray, pag ayaw mong mag-cable car, eh, dito sa baba ka pa lang. Pa-park ka doon.
Kasi ang cable car start sa taas, pababa. It will take time kasi magdadaan pa tayo sa mga curve. So, para makasave time, dito tayo sa baba na diretso. And from the entrance, you need to take a bus ride going to the attractions.
Tapos yung karting. Oo. Hena ka? Ega na. Op. Yan na. Oh. Yay! Ano na? Ano, bibili na akong ticket.
Ay, we've been here before. Yeah.
You wanted roses, but I got you cocoa. You wanted to go out, but we stayed in smoke. Yeah, you still by my side for what I don't know. And thinking about it, cause that's how love go. What we got can't be dead.
Okay, so here's Papa. Say hi. And then Kuya. Ready? Cassie and Andre. Smile. Okay, individual. Andre. Cassie. Okay.
Tell me what you want.
Go Kuya! Bye! Woohoo!
We were just kids, yeah.
Andre! Go Cass! Go, go! Go!
And now we grow. But our love remains.
There's
the
Ate
same.
Cass! Woohoo!
For you grow. I've been growing peppers, but
Okay, okay.
I know that should change, but with change we can grow. No matter what happens with you, I will go. Shawty, you got my love. Your name tatted on my heart. Nobody gonna take that away from me. Just know that I fell hard. Just know you got it, girl. We were just kids, yeah. Young love. We was running, hiding.
Yung finish mong tiktok ra. Very slow. Oh, may ano pala. This is the gate, ha? Kali. Dito kayo, dito. At baka masagasaan kayo ni Mama. Ayan na si Mama. Hi, Mama. Woo! Ano na? Hi, Mama. Ayaw ni Ashton eh. Okay, done. Okay. Iya! Iya! Ang kunwari hawak.
Balik. Night here. And then may mga katabing food, restaurant there, at marami naman ditong mga mga bibilhan. So let's go. Okay guys, so andito na kami sa room tour tayo. So pagpasok mo, itong makikita mo yung living area, and then may kitchenette dito. There are 2 rooms kasi madami kami. First room is here. Okay. And then, yan. That's the bathroom. And then the master's bed. Ito. Bedroom. Master's bedroom. Okay. So, okay naman siya. It's just a service apartment. Pero decent naman. Malinis naman.
Mama.
Yes, girl.
I can order the cheese nuggets and I can order the onion rings.
Nagdala ako ng Lysol para i-disinfect. Dito sa second room. Let's go. Kain muna tayo. Ano ba to? Okay. Okay, let's go.
Ashton wants this one. I want this one.
Okay.
Ikaw, ayos din na?
Ikaw na.
Gusto ko mag-tempura.
Cheese nuggets kay Ashton.
Shrimp, I don't know. Basta shrimp yan. Shrimp to. Tapos curly fries.
So this is fries with shawarma. Mama, what's this stuff? Chicken loaded fries. Thank you, Pa. This is a burger with some fries, Pepsi. Kuya, what's your order?
I got double beef burger and fries. Hello.
Okay. Ashton, what did you get? Cheese nuggets and French fries. Yep, you got cheese nuggets and French fries.
This one, the chicken loaded. So let's try it. Thank you. Kasi yun. Okay.
Wow.
Okay naman.
Dalawang balik nila ako.
Dami mo in-order pa.
May malinis na kalo.
Oh. Ano?
Ako, kakain.
Mag-open ha? Hi!